Alright guys, today our lighter port, I'm pretty sure, has stopped working. So we gotta get a new one and see if that's the problem or not. What do you guys think? So I'm gonna show you guys that it doesn't work in a second, but this is our new one and it's not rusty and it's new. So I hope that will work for it, but we're gonna see in 1 second, y'all. Alright guys, so basically when I plug it in and say that I put that in, it's supposed to light up. It's not lighting up. But we got a new problem I'm going to show you guys in 1 second. Hold on. Alright, so this is actually bigger than this terminal, so I'm going to have to cut it to get away. We'll figure it out, but we'll have to cut it so that it could work. Alright, so I cut it. I don't know if it wants to focus. There we go. Yeah, real ghetto, but we're gonna see if that works. So there we go. You see how that's lighting up again? And we're all in. So that was really my problem. I have to do that also on my other Miata too. We're gonna see if that was the issue. So there you go. Maybe it'll charge better as well. All right, y'all, a little jerry rigging later. It looks pretty decent. Not too shabby. Comes in and out. And look at that. Boom. So there's that.